Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Welcome to Ignite India channel. Today's topic is headgears, and I'll be teaching you and showing you few slides on how different types of headgears work, how do you need to make a base, and then everything will form up. You will have to use your texture techniques that we have taught you and try to create headgears of different kind. At the end of the session, at the end of the session, uh, try to practice it little bit, because at 3 p.m. you have a test. The test for students whose this will be the first test, just remember the test is from 3 to 5. I will post the question at 3 and I'll stop the entries at 5. Tomorrow when there will be an expert session who will come and judge your things, the person will not be giving feedback to students who have not submitted like before 5. So the time has to kept in mind. Materials that you will need for this test would be your general materials that you have learned till now. Paper, you want to use clay, you want to use soap, anything, wire, thermocol, aluminium foil. It's completely your wish. Materials which are available. Tools that you can use are only scissor, paper cutter, pencil, scale, that's it, and Fevicol. Nothing else. If you use something else, we are not stupid, we'll get to know what you are using. Okay. So practice for the headgears after this session, and 3 o'clock be ready for the test. The test will comprise of things that you have learned till now. Okay. uh, for all the students in the group, from next time post 12:05 or 5 minutes of the class which has started, I will not be admitting anyone. Okay, so try to enter the session before, because I open the session 2 minutes before 12 or whenever the class starts. So keep that in mind, be it Ritul, be it Shivani or Sushma, whoever has entered the session late. Okay, because I am the host here, I can see here when everyone is entering or leaving. Keep your networks proper for the classes that will go on from now on, or sit in a place which has proper network and privacy. Okay, so let's start now. So the first thing that you need for a headgear is a strip of paper. Okay, now by default you will get an A4 size of sheet, right? It won't be a size of sheet which is bigger than that, except if it's folded, which is a newspaper or some transparent sheet that can be folded. So you don't practice with something which is bigger than A4. Okay, so if it's a A4 sheet, by default you will have to cut 2 strips of paper. Again someone is entering. Okay, so cut 2 strips of paper and make sure that it fits your head. So you will have to put it on your head and see if it's fitting, because the headgear base needs to be strong and should fit. So right now try to cut these kind of strips. By default to stick them together, fold them. Now it's your choice. You want to fold it like this, you want to fold it like that, you want to make a hole and then enter it. It's completely your choice. You can also cut strip in this way and then try to join it, because it's your choice completely what kind of base you want. But the first thing for this should be that you put it on your head and you make this. Before this session ends, I want a strip of paper which is stuck, on which you will be doing the texture. Okay, I'll share my screen now and we'll start talking about what actually headgear is and what are different kinds of headgears. Okay, let's see this. So a headgear is something you wear on your head, and it can be on any, for any kind of occasion. A hat is a headgear, a bandana is a headgear, a headband is a headgear, a scarf is a headgear that you tie up. So these are your different kinds of headgears. Hat is a headgear, a beret is a headgear. Men wear different kinds of hats, you know, baseball hats. All these things are your headgears. You would have seen in marriages and all, in bridesmaids function, people wear these floral kind of headgears which is made from wire and flowers. So even this is a kind of headgear. I request everyone to look at the screen. Okay, this is another kind of floral headgear which can be made from paper very easily. So it's not something which is very hard or difficult to do. Remember, from the past years, headgear questions have come. Headgear on aquatic animals, headgear on mythological creatures, headgear, based on some style. It can be, your Egyptian style, tribal style. So all headgear is a common part of questions which we have seen in previous year paper. In fashion shows, you will see headgears. Again, someone is entering. Okay. Uh, Paper, you can roll paper. It's headgears are used in fashion ramps. You can, like, see in a lot of brands or fashion shows or fashion ram shows, people wear headgears. In Met galas and Grammys and Oscars, you will see people wearing different kinds of headgears. Kids costume parties, you will see that they'll have a different theme. See this kind of headgear which is made from a cone, and then floral kind of things are pasted on the top. So even in costume parties, birthday parties, you have lot of headgears. You will see queens or famous personalities wearing headgears for your polo matches, or some marriages that will happen, or important functions that will happen. See this kind of hat, it's completely made from paper. Strips of paper with holes, and paper is weaved together, interlaced together, and then attached. So even this kind of headgears are popular. uh, See these kind of, I'll show you few geometric shaped headgears, and I'll show you few headgears which are inspired from birds. Okay. So see this, you can make a lot of pyramids, you can make a lot of cubes, you can make a lot of sphere, attach them in a rhythm and balance, and even that can be a headgear. See this one where the front part has been like a headband. They have made a headgear from origami, and there are conical things at the back. You can also make a small headgear like a brooch thing on the head of the corner. So even this is a type of headgear. See this one, how they have used a conic cones to make a sphere ball, attached it at the center, and then attached it to the headgear. So these are the kind of headgears. Do not make things which are very common and usual, because you will not get marks. Tiaras are another kind of headgears. When in pageants or in queen shops or in another kind of uh, places, you will see tiaras as headgears. You can do this from soap, clay. You can take a lot of wires, you can take paper, and then create these kind of headgears. See this one which was inspired by birds, and at one corner, how in element of design we include emphasis, they have used feathers and all these kind of quilling, rolling, fringing at the end. And this is very easy to do for you all from paper. We have learned paper textures, we have learned how to use paper, so I think this should be easy for you. You can have a net kind of a thing on the headband with feathers. It should not be simple, it should be extravagant, it should be exaggerated. Try to make those kind of headgears. See this one where a nest kind of thing is made and the feather of the bird is made. uh, okay, there are these kind of headgears also, that ancient Roman empires or Egyptians or a lot of fighters used to wear this kind of headgears. uh, it can come till your nose, it can come till your ears, it can have something which is hanging till the bottom. So it's completely your choice what kind of headgear you make. Do not make a normal headgear, please. Be unique in your own style and innovate from your own things. See this geometric shape one, usually it's called tessellation. When you take a pyramid or you take a geometric shape and you create a rhythm, a square, a pyramid, a cube, a sphere, and you will create a rhythm from it, and that's called tessellation. So try to do that kind of thing, where you create an abstract structure out of a headgear and give it a theme. uh, Even these are kind of few headgears. you can use a net mesh, you can take a thin paper and try to do these kind of things where the
These kind
front
of
is
things where
covered.
the front is covered.
uh,
Uh,
Please mute yourself if
Please
you're
mute
not.
yourself if you're not.
Anushka. Okay, people who have joined me late, Anushka, Kirti, I think there was one more guy, Gautam. I would not enter you next time. Be very clear. This is not a class which is based on your choice. You put your headphones and you sit in the class and just sleep on the side. So these are the classes which are interactive. I'm sure you have paid for it. So try to be sensible here. You have 2 months of time for your exam. So please prepare properly and be attentive in the classes. Okay, so we know these kind of textures that we have done, and you all also have done a lot of textures. There were few. I have given feedback to every single person who is right now here. Unless you have not done it, please use texture techniques which are abstract and are innovative. I do not want simple sticking of strips. Half of you just took paper and just cut strips and just stick it on the paper. Like, what's the use of it? There's no point to do it. Try to innovate, try to do these kind of things that your friends or other people are doing. Okay, see what I'll share more pictures of what the other students have made in in headgears. But see this one. If the theme was a mythological creature and mythological god, I think, and she has taken Krishna, so you will see how they have taken the feathers. The color is so good. See how neat this is. uh, you can see how they have done quilling, rolling, and all these kind of things in this in this model. See the sides, see how neat it is. It has a theme, the colors are coordinated. Please try to work like this. This is a reference for you all to work in. um, See, if you want to create a base and you are given tribal, then you should know the elements of tribal. Suppose they give you, I know in a test right now, I'll give some theme, and if you don't know what that era or that style is, so try to brainstorm what was pop art, what was surrealism, how was headgears in Egypt, how was headgears in England, or how are headgears in India. You have turbans, you have so many things that you wear on your head during the wedding also. So try to please research a lot. Do not sit in your home just fiddling with paper. It will never help unless you have no idea or no research. So try to see a lot of headgears in movies, in art, theater, in films, in your series. You will see Game of Thrones, you will see so many different types of headgears. So get innovative ideas from those things. See this kind of octopus one. I gave them aquatic model, aquatic as a theme. They have done few more. I will share the pictures on the group. uh, this kind of a mermaid thing is also you can roll the paper to show waves, and nothing should be done by pencil. You can see here there's a sketch pen being done. It's not allowed. Everything should be done by paper. No use of paints, no use of pencils, no use of
Ma'am,
sketch pens, nothing. Yes,
ma'am, sorry, in this side, can you use these kind of paper threads?
paper threads you can use.
Yeah,
Yes, you
okay.
can use this.
Okay.
Thread, any kind of woolen thread, metallic thread, threads you can use if you want, but in a simple quantity. They won't give you more than 1 meter or 2 meters of it. Do not use like only that material. Okay, let's just flip through everything. Tiaras, geometric shape ones, hat ones, kids ones. You can make a halo at the black. Flower ones, you can make a hat. You can do it for a man, you can do it for a kid, you can do for anything you feel like. Okay, um so everyone, what I want to see right now, before the class ends, is a strip of paper that should fit on your head. Okay, it should fit on your head. You can give it any shape, but I want to see it right now. Take a strip of paper, stick it. No stapling, sticking it. Use a Fevicol. stick it. Try to give it these kind of shape. After you do it, try to give it this kind of shape, something that you like. The base can be anything. Your base can start from here and it can have an extra flap for the nose. It can have extra flap for the ears. At the back, you can add something. Make the basic base of the headgear right now. And then I'll give you a homework or maybe a test. In test, you will have a headgear or something else. I don't know. Ria, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Next time on time in the class.
Ma'am, I was at 12 too, I think.
Okay, good then.
Ma'am,
Come at
yesterday
12.
you didn't give, yesterday you didn't give any review on my work. Ma'am,
I
would you
gave on
please?
everyone, on yours I didn't.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I'll check.
And ma'am,
You are in Ignite online group, right? Okay, Anushka, I didn't tell you. Anushka, this is good. If you are here and you are listening, this is good, but you can't make a heart all the time. This has to be abstract. If you are taking romantic, you can still make romantic abstract shape by not keeping a heart. And your heart is broken, so it looks like not romantic at all. Okay, okay. Who else is there? Ria. Yes, Ria, I saw yours. I like the paper one, the lost one. Can you see this one? The lost one. The texture is good, and the thing is good. The rest are common. The rest are very common. Freedom, different. They are very common. You could have seen I posted few examples of things in the group, right? Do you see how much effort people have taken? They have quilled each single page. Noreen, you could see her work. She has done amazing. Aniket in the start did amazing. Ritul has done great job. So even in the other group, a lot of you have done good job. So try to um, it's a 2 minutes job. 2 minutes. It's not a 10 minutes job or a 5 minutes job. Just put it on your head and show me. Simple. ऐसे 2 घंटे वाला टाइम मतलब तो लेना ही नहीं है इस चीज में. It's very quick thing. You have to cut strip of paper and paste it. You will have to hold it in the corner for 1 minute to just see how much time it's taking to stick. You can curl it. You can put an extra flap on the back maybe ki that is standing. That you can do. On the nose you can do something. It should stand on the head when you show me. Everyone is working. I can see that.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is this okay? Is this
Arya,
okay? Yes.
you need to wear it on your head.
Yeah.
Yes, it's fine. Good, good. और आर्या textures में बहुत improvement करना है, बहुत ज़्यादा. I wrote it
Okay,
for
ma'am.
you. You are doing too simple work. Too simple work.
Okay.
I am your mentor also and I have to see your progress. तुम ऐसे काम था, तुम्हारा काम ऐसे जा रहा है. प्लीज वर्क. टाइम पास मत करो. वो ऐसे से सारी स्ट्रिप्स ऐसे चिपका दी थी, वो भी विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग. इट वॉज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू यूज टेक्सचर्स विद इमोशंस. कितने सारे एग्जाम्पल्स मैंने ग्रुप में डाले. प्लीज Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I can see Cheryl has done it. Cheryl, good.
Ma'am,
Ayaz has done it. Ayaz, can you wear it so that I know it fits? Okay, it's fitting. Next, Anushka, I can see yours. Mm. Next. How much?
Pallavi.
Pallavi, yes. Wear it on your head. It shouldn't fall. You have to stick it. Where's the sticking part? You are holding it in your hand. It should stand on your head without your hands.
Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi. Yes. Good. Done. Farheen, I can see yours. It's done. Veronica, Richa, Ria, Sanjana. How much time will it take?
Ma'am, Hiral.
Yes, wear it on your head. I can see everyone.
Ma'am Veronica.
Yes, Veronica. Yes, good. Done. Good. Who else is here?
Ma'am, Hiral.
Hiral. Hiral, where are you? Yes. Hiral, good. I like the shape of your cap. It's different. Everyone else was making the same thing. Good.
Thank you.
Richa, good. It's done.
Ma'am Chaya.
Sushma and Ria, I can see it. Good. Ganga, I saw yours, right? Anjali, I can see yours. Good. It's different shape. Shivani, Arjav, Ritul. क्लास सबका एक टाइम पे स्टार्ट हुआ था. Arjav, Shivani,
yes,
Ritul,
ma'am.
Bhavna. Who else?
Ma'am,
Chaya. Ritul, you need to wear it.
टूट गया.
Yes, टूट गया तो दोबारा बनाना पड़ेगा. It's thin, right? Use a thicker paper for this, and if it's a thin paper, like use it properly. Put layers.
मैम
Arjun,
इसको चिपका नहीं सकते क्या?
क्या हुआ रितुल?
मैम इसको चिपका नहीं सकते.
क्यों? फेविकॉल नहीं है?
चिपका सकते हैं ना वही.
तो चिपकाना तो है ही, वरना बिना हैंड के कैसे रहेगा? विदाउट फेविकॉल हाउ यू विल स्टिक इट? रितुल, मुझे क्वेश्चन ही समझ नहीं आया. If it's a headgear, you are taking a strip. Please put fevicol. Do not staple. I have seen few students in my class who are using staplers on the side. Please don't do it. It won't help you.
Ma'am Bhavna.
Bhavna, yes. Okay. Good. Arjav is still left. Who is left? Muskan still left. Shivani, you are still left. Kirti, you are still left. Okay, guys. So this was the headgear base. Okay. Now remember the textures you have used. Okay, I'll give you a few examples. Suppose I get the theme of tribal. Okay, so how are things of tribal? आदिवासी लोग कैसे वो ऐसे पोक वाली चीजें पहनते हैं. They'll have colors like yellow, red, green, right? Tribal people have those. They have like abstract prints, square, triangles, and all. So I will incorporate those elements into this mask. Okay, like I was showing you that Krishna god one. You know, you will incorporate your textures in the headgear. The color should be good. The textures is what you will judged on. You will be judged on how the depth or the volume of this is, which means it should fit. It shouldn't be like very flimsy. Okay, if you're making something for the side, try to give it a band kind of thing. Try to make things that fall out. add fringing, add quilling, add that rolling technique, add crumpling, and do a really creative, innovative work. If everyone is making for a girl, make it for a man. Like, be different. Make something for sports, make something for a kid, make something for a costume party. Try to be unique and different. And the main thing is that you make your elements before, make all your elements before on the side, and then stick it on the base creatively. Think about it. Do the sketches first, and then try to do the headgear. Okay, everyone's understanding it? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, Shivani.
Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, it's done.
I can't see. Okay, yes, now I can see. See, this one is good where you have given a triangle till the nose. This is different. Instead of putting everything on here, you can put things on the side also. You can put things on the nose, on the ear, something from here. You must have seen Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, Game of Thrones. Like, see the headgears people make. Please see lot of reference in this next 1 hour. Do a lot of research on what a headgear is, because the 3 o'clock test will help you a lot. So please try to research on headgears before your test. Cheryl, ma'am, I have heard that most often in the test they give paper of primary colors. So should we stick to them while practicing? Should we try? Cheryl, it's not like that. They give all type of colors. I don't know where you heard it from. It's a random color choice. When I was making in my exam long back, I got only black and white. So it depends. Right now, whatever you get, you have to work with that. Try to make the elements resemble something. At the end, they know if they have given you only pink color, you have no choice. You will have to make it from pink only. Okay. So right now, whichever materials is available to you, try to innovate from that only, because that's the best way to practice. If you are giving a situation test, even they
Ma'am,
don't
it's done.
material you will give. Who's this so
Ma'am,
loud?
it's done. Muskan.
Muskan. Okay. Okay, Muskan, good. Try to not interrupt me when I am talking to someone. Okay, Muskan? Yes, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I think it's only one-way conversations with few people. Please, guys, please pay attention when I'm telling something and wait for your chance.
Okay.
Okay. So Cheryl, as I was saying, like, it's completely your choice. Whichever paper you have, try to work on that. I can't see Aniket today in the class. I don't know where he is, but hope he gives the test. Okay. So guys, Arjav, were you able to make it? You were the only one I didn't see.
Yes, ma'am.
But it's a very thin paper. Try to take thick papers.
Ma'am, I don't have paper right now
Okay. So then
at
stick
home.
and layer newspaper.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Ria.
Out. Yes, Ria.
Ma'am, where we have to post the pictures of that assignment which we will get today at 3 p.m.
Did you read the description that I have given? Did you read what I wrote?
But I have a confusion there. I have to send that on that email ID or on the group.
There are two things written. You need to post the pictures on the group before time, plus you need to email also. Both the things have to be done. For the people whose it first test, last time's test, post the time, no one was reviewed, no one was checked, no one was brought to the session of experts that had feedback. So do it on time, do it on the group. Don't send me personally things, please. I request you all. I have 100+ students right now that I am teaching. I lose the track of messages. If you post it on group, that's where I can find the work or give feedback to. So please post things on one group only. Stick to your group. See the things that other people are doing and get inspiration from it. Like, don't take it in a negative way, take it in a positive way. Motivate each other, help each other, and please stay happy. And before the test starts, like, be free, be in an environment, and don't cheat from Google and your phones. You'll get to know. We see a lot of Pinterest, we see Instagram, we know everything. Okay, so please don't cheat from Google in the test. It's very bad if you do it. Okay, you will be like dishonest to your own self. Okay, Krishna sir, are you here?
Hello, Rimji ma'am. My voice is audible?
Yes, your voice is audible.
Yes, yes, yes. So is this a regular batch or regular and online both batch?
Regular and online both batch.
Both batch. Then attendance is less today.
Regular and
We have.
online, which means regular batch of both Ignite and ours.
Yes, yes, yes. I got it. The two regular batch, online regular batch, and this one. So why the attendance is less we have today?
Yeah, it should be more. Maybe it's 12
Yeah.
p.m.
Sorry?
Maybe it's 12 p.m. They must be.
Oh, because of this. This is very odd. Anyway,
Krishna sir, I
did you
think they
brief them
don't
about
have
the test?
One second. They don't have information about the situation test. I think you can let them.
Well, officially, if you would say, it's better to say it will come to you soon. Your exam now is in mid of June. So from here, you have 2 month time. Rimji ma'am, could you please stop the recording? Write your test properly. Don't ask unnecessary question. Try to read and understand. We are not a small kids, but still if you have a doubt, then you ask. Because I see many of you asking the same thing again and again in different way. I'll not give the example. Even many people, they text me, sir, do we have to mail? If it's mentioned there, it's mail. You are reading it is mail and asking, do we have to mail? There is no questions. So please find out confidence in yourself and read properly your information. Why I am saying it? Because in exam, you have to understand the question. इसलिए मैं कभी-कभी बोलता हूँ तो कॉमन सेंस जो है ना वो कॉमन नहीं होता है. So थोड़ा अपने आप को calm, cool रखो आप. Make sure that what you are doing it, you are sure about it. जो आप क्या कर रहे हो, कैसे कर रहे हो, क्या outcome होना है. Rest is everybody is doing good. You all are really doing good. Carry on. All the best. Keep in touch. All the best for your test. I think one of the group is writing the test first time. So all the best.
Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you, Krishna sir. Thank you, guys. Please be ready for
Ma'am,
the test.
thank you everyone.
For the reference, I will
Okay.
send the pictures on the group of today's class. Okay, guys? Bye. Bye. And tell your family not to disturb you during test. Bye.
Ma'am, can I show you something?
Who is this?
Ma'am, Richa.
Richa, you can post the picture on the group. It's better that way. I can see things.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
अभी हमने discuss